Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in my shed. I'm doing some cleaning, picking up. The bike is coming along, slowly getting there. But I need to clean this shed out. I have way too much crap in here. It needs to be cleaned out so that I have a place that I can actually work. I need to rebuild the shocks on the bike. I need to continue putting it back together. I do have the carburetors in now, and I need to clean up all of my mess and all of my junk, especially from the 5.4 that I tore down. I got the 5.4 here that I'm eventually going to rebuild. All these extra parts that I don't necessarily need, and I need to rebuild it. But in the meantime, I need to have a place that I can store that stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a few totes. I'm going to put all these parts in some totes. That way I just have them labeled and set aside. That way they're out of my way, out of my shed, so I can continue working on the bike. Bike is number one priority for next spring. I want to be able to start it, ride it, drive it, have it done, for the most part, at least rideable. I think maybe over the winter, depending on how the bike goes, maybe over the winter I can work on the 5.4. But until then, I need it to be out of my way. Like all this stuff for the bike, I don't know why it's out. I don't need it out. I need it gone. I need it out of my way so that I can get all the space in here to work on the bike. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to clean this shed up. I'm going to get it done, ready, so I can get the bike going again. So this corner isn't done yet. I got this corner cleaned out. I got all the bike stuff over there. I'm going to move the engine somewhere. I got the toolboxes cleared off, and I'm just waiting for lunch to show up. So as soon as lunch shows up, I'm going to be eating that and then cleaning up this mess here. I should have plenty of room in here to keep going on the bike now, as long as I don't make another mess. As long as no side quests come in, I'm going to be okay. It's the side quests that throw you off and make it so you can't get your main quest done. So right now my main quest is the bike. The side quest is the 5.4. I can do the side quests while I'm doing the main quest, but I think I want to just try and go for the main quest right now and get that bike done. I got a few more things to pick up in here, go eat my lunch, I'll be back. Well, that's it. I am done cleaning the shed. There's still my phone and one bottle of transfer case oil, bottle of silicone, and a funnel. Actually, funnel I can put up right now because it goes, and brake clean. Funnel goes right here. I was using it earlier. Maybe if I can get it. There we go. Funnel goes there. Got a can of brake clean. Got my Mercon LV. This is gonna go over here with these parts because they're Ford parts. And that's it. I'm gonna take this inside. Don't need it. I've got my GoPro mount right here, so I can do time lapses straight down, so it'll look something like this, but with a GoPro anyway. But that's just a little update for you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.